What is 408 Justice Visa? Well, let us go into little more details to understand who is eligible for this 408 Justice Visa. Hi, my name is Nish from Professional Visa and Education Services Immigration Lawyer. Now, the Justice Visa is specially designed for people who are under the Employer Sponsorship Visa scheme, and there has been some sort of exploitation, some sort of mischief by the employer to the employees who has caused them some sort of adversarial impact on their day-to-day operations of the business as an employee. So what do you need to prove when it comes to 408 visa? Now, a lot of people are under this employer sponsorship scheme, and a lot of people are exploited, let's be honest. So what is considered as exploited? So underpayment or unpaid wages, which is also known as wage theft by the Fair Work, that is exploitation. Working excessive hours without pay, treating or threatening someone because of their visa status, like the employers threatening, I will report to the Department of Home Affairs if you don't come and work for me more than the hours that is stipulated on the contract, or using a visa as a tool to provide you with some sort of oppression to come and do some jobs. Unsafe work condition. Employers facing workers to break the visa condition. They're forcing their employees to go and do something that will breach the visa condition. These are just the example to show that this is all considered as employment exploitation. Now, if you are suffering from this, of course, if you need to substantiate with this evidence, and if you have all of this evidence, you can apply for the 408 Justice Visa. What do you need when it comes to applying for 408 Justice Visa? Well, we need to prove that there has been some sort of workplace exploitation. Not just that, sometimes you might be in ongoing legal battles. We need to show the proof that you are in that ongoing legal battle with your employer when it comes to your employment situation, so that this justice visa allows you to stay in Australia to battle this particular legal situation with your employer. Now, what do you need to fulfill? Well, first, you need to be in Australia and hold temporary visa with the working rights, and then your visa is expiring in 28 days. Well, that date is very important because they only entertain when you're closer to visa expiry and the 28 days. And of course, we have to prove that workplace exploitation claims. Not just that, it's very handy to have your workers' union endorsement about your claim in your visa application, just so that you can justify that whatever the claims that you're making is substantial, whatever the claims that you're making has some truthness behind it. So it's very important that we collect those evidence. And if you really are in that situation where you feel quite stuck with your employer because you are already holding a 482 or 116 visa and you don't have another employer immediately, but you are facing some sort of workplace exploitation, we can always look into 408 Justice Visa. If you need more information on this, please come and see us, and we'll be more than happy to assist you further. Well, thanks for watching. This is Nish again from Professional Visa and Education Services.